In the Settings module, users can adjust various things to use the project target application, such as appearance and permissions. In the first tab, you can see value setup, quantity setup, queue and queue setup, number format, and date and time format. Value setup defines if the value will be used throughout the system. Additionally, the currency symbol can be used as prefix or suffix. Quantity setup defines the quantity that will be used throughout the system. A unit symbol can be used as a prefix or a suffix. Queue and queue setup defines if the qualified, non-qualified behavior will be used throughout the system. Number format shows the number of decimal places. In the date and time format, you choose how date and time will be displayed. In the second tab, you can set users and roles permissions. Let's check how it works on an example. On the left side, we are logged in as an administrator, and on the right side, we are logged in as a sales rep. You are able to modify the visual appearance of the application however you like. It can be changed by users or by roles. In our case, sales reps can see dashboard, targets, sales, competition, and help module. See what happened when you turned off and on some cards? You can turn on and turn off the whole module. For example, we will turn on an organization module for sales reps. It will appear in the menu. As you can see, Project Target is fully customizable, and you can choose whatever you want to show to your users. In content filtering, you can choose whatever you want to display to some users or some roles. You can turn on and turn off things like which level users can see, their own, above, or below level, target type, target version, recalculation type, etc. Let's see how that works. Now you can see what happened when you turn on and turn off target type. In third tab in Settings, you can set working days for your departments and users. You can also check working days for departments or users. Let's check how it works. Choose, for example, Nina Mills, period from tomorrow to the end of the year, and check all days except Sunday. Now we can see how Nina Mills has Sundays as days off.